Okay, it's IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions and you got to reply. Is it difficult for you to stay focused on something?
Well, yes, it's sometimes it's difficult for me to stay focused when my thoughts are diverted. So it feels uncomfortable to focus on some point. To
All
answer your
right.
question,
Yeah.
sometimes it's difficult for me.
Okay, that's good. What do you do to help you concentrate?
Well, to concentrate, I sometimes stay in silence and concentrate on my thoughts. And if I'm going to read some topic, so I just focus on that topic.
All right, that's good. What may distract you when you are trying to stay focused?
Well, sometimes it's some kind of difficult situations when like something going on in my life that is not easy for me to cope up with. So that's something that made me divert my
That makes
thoughts.
me divert
Yeah,
my attention
attention
or
from.
something like that. Okay, overall it's good. Keep it up. Your answers are clear according to the question, crisp answers, minor grammar mistakes, but as you practice, they'll be fine. Thank you.
Thank you so
Good
much, sir.
job.